Good morning students. So welcome back to online mathematics class. So now let us continue with the 16th problem. Find the derivative of the function given by f of x which is equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8 and hence find f dash of 1. So first we will find f dash of x and then we will go for f dash of 1. So I will write the given function as it is. See here, f of x which is equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8. So now see here, take log on both sides. So take log on both sides. So we get log f of x which is equal to log. So I write these terms as it is 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8. So now see here, it is in the form of log of x, not log of a, b, c, d. What is log of a, b, c, d? It is log a plus log b plus log c plus log d. So now we have to apply that particular property. Log f of x which is equal to log 1 plus x plus log 1 plus x square plus log 1 plus x to the power 4 plus log 1 plus x to the power 8. 1 plus x to the power 8. So now we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x now. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of log f of x? It is 1 by f of x into derivative of this will give us f dash of x. 1 by f of x into d by dx of f of x will give us f dash of x which is equal to, now what is the derivative of log 1 plus x? So it is 1 divided by 1 plus x and the derivative of inside function will give us 1 plus what is the derivative of log 1 plus x square? It is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Now the derivative of inside function, derivative of 1 it is 0 plus derivative of x square it is 2x. So 0 plus 2x it is 2x plus now again log 1 plus x to the power 4 it is 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power 4. Then derivative of the inside function will give us 4x cube plus now derivative of log 1 plus x to the power 8 will give us 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power 8 into d by dx of the inside function will give us 8 times x to the power 7. 8 times x to the power 7. Since we don't have much space, so pause the video to note it down, then we'll continue. Okay, let us continue from this step. Now we have to take f of x to the RHS, it goes to the numerator. So I write f dash of x as it is, f dash of x which is equal to f of x. I am taking this to the RHS, it goes to the numerator. F of x into the bracket. I write this entire term as it is 1 divided by 1 plus x plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 8x to the power 7 divided by 1 plus x to the power 8. So now we have to replace f of x here. So let us replace f of x. f dash of x which is equal to, so f of x will be 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8. So this entire term is f of x now. Into these terms must be written as it is into the bracket. So 1 divided by 1 plus x plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 8x to the power 7 divided by 1 plus x to the power 8. So we have got f dash of x. Now we will have to find f dash of 1. That means in the right hand side we have to replace x by 1. So see here. Now I go for f dash of 1. Replace x by 1 now. So we get 1 plus 1 and then 1 plus 1 square it is again 1. Then 1 plus, in place of x I have to write 1. 1 to the power 4 it is again 1 into 1 plus 1 to the power 8 is 1. So into the bracket 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Then plus 2 into 1 it is 2 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 4 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 8 divided by 1 plus 1. So let us simplify this now. F dash of 1 which is equal to, so 1 plus 1 it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So now we have to simplify this. So see here inside the bracket 1 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. So now see here, let us continue the next step. F dash of 1 which is equal to, so how much we get now? 2 into 2 it is 4, 4 into 2 it is 8, 8 into 2 it is 16. I write 16 here. Then into. Now you have the same denominator. That means the numerators will be added up. So the LCM of all these terms will be 2. So I write 2 in the denominator. Then, so add all the numerators now. 1 plus 2 it is 3, plus 4 it is 7, plus 8 it is 15. Now 2 ones are 2 8s are 2 ones are 2 8s are. Now f dash of 1 which is equal to, how much we get now? 8 into 15 will give us 120. 120. So this is the answer for f dash of 1. So pause the video to note it down. Yes, the next question it is differentiate x square minus 5x plus 8 into the bracket x cube plus 7x plus 9 in 3 ways mentioned below. The first method it is by using product rule. Second one it is by expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. Third one it is by logarithmic differentiation. And at the end he has given, do they all give the same answer? So we have to solve the same problem by 3 different ways. So let us consider the first one by using the product rule. So see here we will go for the solution. We will write the given function as it is, f of x which is equal to x square minus 5x plus 8. X square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. We have to solve this problem by product rule. So we go for the Roman number 1. So now see here, using product rule, so now we'll go for the differentiate with respect to x. Now we get f dash of x which is equal to, So we have to apply the product rule here. U dash v plus u v dash. Derivative of the first function, write the second function as it is, plus now write the first function as it is, take the derivative of the second function. So I'll go for this now. Derivative of this will give us 2x minus 5. Then into, write the second function as it is, x cube plus 7x plus 9, x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus, so we got u dash v plus u v dash. I write the first one as it is now, x square minus 5x plus 8, x square minus 5x plus 8. Now we have to differentiate this particular term. Derivative of x cube, it is 3x square plus derivative of 7x, it is 7, and then derivative of 9 will be 0. So now let us go ahead with this. F dash of x which is equal to, now we have to multiply these two terms plus we have to multiply the last two terms. Now 2x into x cube, it is 2 into x to the power 4, and then 2x into 7x will be 14x plus 2x into 9 will be 18x. So it is 14x square and then 18x. See here, 2x into x cube, it is 2x to the power 4. 2x into 7x will be 14x square. Then 2x into 9, it is 18x. Then now multiply minus 5 with all these three terms. We get minus 5x cube and then minus 35x and then minus 45. So we are done with the multiplication of these two. Plus. So I don't have space there. I am writing here. Now we have to multiply these two terms. So see here, x square into 3x square will give us 3 into x to the power 4. Then x square into 7 will give us 7x square. Then now we have to multiply minus 5x with these two terms. Minus 5x into 3x square, it is minus 15x cube. And then minus 5x into 7, it is minus 35x. And then 8 into 3x square, it is 24x square. And then 8 into 7, it is 56. So now let us simplify this entire term. Now we have dash of x which is equal to, so now search for the like terms. 2x to the power 4, and then there is one more x to the power 4 here. So here 3x to the power 4. Add these two, now we get 5 times x to the power 4. 5x to the power 4. Then now you go for x cube terms. So here minus 5x cube and then minus 15x cube. Add both these, we will get minus 20x cube. Now you go for x square term. 14x square plus 7x square, it is 21x square plus 24x square. So we get 45x square. Now search for x term. So here minus 35x minus 35x. We get minus 70x plus 18x will give us minus 52x. Now search for the like terms. Now search for the constant term. So here it is minus 45 and then there is one more constant. Here it is plus 56. So add these two, we will get 11. So this is the answer for the first method. So you will have to solve the remaining two by expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial, and the third one by logarithmic differentiation. You will have to solve these two. So pause the video to note it down. Yes, the next question it is 18th one. If u, v and w are functions of x, then show that d by dx of u into v into w, which is equal to du by dx into vw plus u into dv by dx into w plus u into v into dw by dx in two ways. First by repeated application of product rule, second by logarithmic differentiation. So let us prove this. See here. So we have to prove d by dx of u v w equal to, so du by dx into v w and so on by repeated application of product rule. So here I consider this as y. Let y which is equal to u into v into w, u into v into w. Now differentiate by repeated application of product rule. By repeated application of product rule. So let us differentiate this now. dy by dx which is equal to, so now see here, now I consider u as the first term and vw as the second term. So here d by dx of u into vw, d by dx of u into vw. So this is the first term, vw is the second term. So let us differentiate this now. dy by dx which is equal to, so now it is in the form of product rule, d by dx of u into v. So derivative of the first function, write the second function as it is, plus now write the first function as it is, the derivative of the second function. So I take the derivative of first function now, we get du by dx. Now write the second function as it is. What is the second function here? It is vw. v into w plus. Now write the first function as it is, u as it is. Take the derivative of the second function, d by dx of vw. Again we have to apply the product rule here. So let us go into that. dy by dx which is equal to du by dx into vw plus u must be written as it is. Now we have to apply the product rule here. So for that I put the bracket. So now see here, d by dx of vw. Take the derivative of the first function. What is the derivative of v? It is dv by dx. Into w plus, now write v as it is. Take the derivative of the second function. It is dw by dx. So now in the next step, u must be multiplied with these two terms. So now dy by dx which is equal to du by dx into vw plus, now multiply u with both the terms. So now u into dv by dx w plus, now multiply u with the last term. So it is u into v into dw by dx. So this is the required answer. So see here, dy by dx which is equal to, so we have got the same term. Here we have to replace y by uv w, that I have considered in the beginning. So we got the answer by the first method. So you will have to solve the same question by second method, that is by logarithmic differentiation. So take the second method as assignment. So pause the video to put it down.